Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display text on image on hover in Avada theme. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our image. So when we hover on it, now you see text display. So we are going to do this using image element. Now you see, go to page and we are using image element. So click on element option, pencil icon. So click on it. So you can add your image. So you can do setting according to requirement. Now you see caption. So click on it. In caption we set style Lisa. So you can choose style according to requirement. We choose this. So we are going to display text on image hover. So that's why we added text in image caption. If you add text in image title, then that text display without on hover on image. If you don't add any text here, then display image name. So we are using custom CSS to hide this, display none. Now you see, and then you can add text in image caption, image title adding, font family, font size, font color, caption border color, image overlay color. So you can do setting according to requirement and then click on save and then click on update. So after that you will see this result. So when we hover on image, you see text in Avada theme without using any custom code. Just we hide image title by using custom CSS, display none. So this is our class awb-imageframe-caption-title, display none. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.